Thank you for watching as we go over the best peptides for skin. Did you know that peptides could be the secret weapon for younger-looking skin? Today, we'll uncover the truth behind these skincare superheroes. Peptides are short chains of amino acids that send crucial messages to your skin cells. Think of them as tiny messengers urging your skin to produce collagen, repair damage, and soothe inflammation. But not all peptides are created equal. Some are just fancy marketing phrases. Our mission today is to identify the top evidence-backed peptides that deliver real results. First up is Matrixyl, a well-researched peptide family known to boost collagen production. Key variants include palmitoyl pentapeptide 4 and Matrixyl 3000. Studies show these peptides can improve skin elasticity, reduce fine lines, and enhance texture over time. Next, we have copper peptides, particularly GHK-Cu. These peptides are incredible for healing. They've shown to increase collagen production and improve skin density. Look for copper tripeptide 1 on your labels for best results. Then, there are Argireline and Snap-8, often dubbed Botox in a bottle. These peptides help reduce expression lines by softening muscle contractions. However, expectations should be realistic. Think of a soft focus filter, not a frozen face. It's essential to combine these peptides wisely. Create a simple skincare routine. Cleanse, apply a hydrating peptide serum in the morning, and follow with moisturizer and SPF. At night, consider retinoids or copper peptides, depending on skin tolerance. Avoid products that make grand claims without solid evidence. Look for meaningful concentrations of peptides in stable formulas. In summary, if you want smoother, bouncier skin, consider incorporating Matrixyl, copper peptidase, or Argireline into your routine. The key is consistency and patient results. If you found this information useful, please hit subscribe. Share your experiences in the comments about which peptides you've tried and any differences you've noticed. Your feedback helps us grow this community focused on science-backed skincare.